a 10-point victory. What about this game makes you think that you're back to playing the Senegal way?
Well, it's just nothing, you know. It's a great win for us today, you know. But we just tied the series, and we just made it a best of three. I'm just happy that we talked about a lot of stuff yesterday in practice, and we just talked to one another and said that, you know, if we trust our teammates and we share the ball, that offense will come, and it showed now. I think we had 111. I think this is the highest output in this series. So, you know, it's just a mindset of these players to trust one another and to share the ball. That's the philosophy.
Coach, it's the first time for Vic Manuel and Terrence Romeo to make an appearance in this series. When did you decide to field them in, and how did they fare in the expectations you set for them?
Well, Terrence played well. You know, he played quality minutes, and also Vic. You know, I'm really happy with Vic. You know, even if yung minutes niya, it was only 7 or 8, but he really helped us a lot. His quality minutes were really great, and you know, he really helped the team in today's victory. And also, Terrence played well, but I'm sure he's not healthy yet. But you know, the kid just wants to win and just wants to help the team. That's why he played now.
Thank you, Coach. Junmar, congratulations not just for the win, but also for winning Best Player of the Conference.
Thank you.
Sabi mo kanina na hindi mo alam na yung awarding ngayong araw. Anong kahalagahan ba nitong pagiging Best Player for Conference mo for the 10th time? At paano ka ginanahan sa larong yung ikaw?
Una-una na salamat talaga guys na walang na-enjoy sa game na to. Yung kahit sino sa team namin pwede maging best player of the conference kasi sobrang lalim ng team namin. Hindi ako inanahan dahil nanalo ng BPC. Kailangan ko talaga i-ano yung sarili ko dun sa ilalim kasi pag natalo kami, 3-1, mahirap makabounce back sa 3-1. So, gusto namin manalo, gusto namin matay yung series. Credit sa coaching staff, mga teammates ko, nag-step up kami lahat. Kung sino yung pinasok ni coach, nag-step up lahat. So, kaya nakuha namin yung panalo.
Junmar, sa huling mga laro, lagi napapag-usapan yung defense ang binabato sa iyo ng Meralco. Ano ba talaga yung challenge sa binibigay nila sa iyo at masasabi mo ba naka-adjust ka na doon after this game?
Maganda yung depensa ng credit talaga sa Meralco. Maganda yung depensa. Hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa buong team. Kasi dito nyo naman, limited yung mga namin, yung shots namin. Minsan ilang attempts na mga 70 plus lang. So, ayun, tas ngayon, yun nga sinabi ni coach. Maganda yung ano namin ngayon, pasahan. So, nag-rotate yung bola. So, yun yung ano ngayon, kaya nanalo kami.
Good morning, congrats. Congrats nga kanina kanya, hindi mo lang daw na reward.
Okay.
Hindi mo daw lang na-awarding it. Pero when finally won it, tapos you were announced na BPC, nagkaroon ko ng added motivation to perform this way. Tonight's game, 12 points in the first quarter. Gano'n ako motivated after winning the award?
Motivated ako kasi yun nga, down kami 1 game sa series. So, yung BPC, ano na lang yun, bonus na lang yun. So, masaya ako na nakuha ko yung BPC, pero i-credit ko yun sa mga teammates ko kasi di ko makakuha yun kung hindi dahil sa mga teammates ko. So,
Coach, si Terrence ba fully healthy na or they're still taking it day by day?
Day by day pa, you know, he just decided to play because he really wanted to help the team, no? So, I'm very happy that yun yung mentality niya, no, na sige, he talked to me yesterday and said, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna really, in case na ipasok, if I bring him inside, he's gonna give his 110, which he did now. And then, and also to Vic, you know, I talked to Terrence and Vic. and said that, you know, if there's a chance that I can bring you inside, can you play at least 110%? And they did it today. So very happy that they followed the instructions.
Coach, si ba nanginginig na or talagang hindi naman siya nagagawa?
Ano, he got, kasi after the Rain or Shine series, he got kind of sick. So he didn't practice that was a 14-day break. So he didn't practice, I think, for 10 to 12 days kasi he was really feeling ill. So and he just stayed in his house. So siguro he's just getting his breath back now once and it's coming back kasi in practice he's doing extra work, and so he wants his timing back. So I'm sure it's gonna come back. I just hope soon. And about his best player of the conference, Junmar really worked hard for it. So you know it doesn't come easy. He worked hard for it. So I'm happy that he got it. Asosek? No. Sorry. Ay, sorry.
Kung sa gawin the series, out the series is being played, most of the time siguro yung hindi play. And you're the one na parang kayo nag-a-adjust. This kayo pwede kasi isang shift.
No, I was because yung first 3 games they were dictating the game because you know they were averaging 16 more shots than us. So now I was looking at that. I think they just had 1 extra shot, and that's really a big factor. You know, if a team averages 16 more shots than you, so that's really hard to that's really hard to beat and really hard to win. So now I just looked at it. We just lost by 1. So the players really focused on that and had effort getting the rebounds. Kasi lahat ng extra points naman nila was coming all from offensive boards. Imagine that 22 the last game and they had 16 more shots. So that was really a big factor today.
What's the new 14 career horizon? Okay ka ba doon if other Miracle players or would that be
He had 48 now?
40.
40. Well, as long as the rest don't score, we're fine. So you know, he had his 40, but we kind of stopped the rest of them. So very happy for that.
Shout out. Okay na? Shout out Mama, Papa, Jay, Kendra, Vance, Cham Cham, Baby Seo, Lolo Verde, Attorney Stenso and family, sa lahat ng mga taga Cebu, taga Pinamungaan, House of Kraken, Kraken Car Wash, Kraken Energy Car Wash, Auska, sa mga fans ng San Miguel, maraming salamat. Tritza Nidos, shout out to Tritza Nidos.
Perfect na sa Titan, Hapakat.
Ha?
Hapakat.
Hapakap, good luck sa finals. So,
Jerry Ramos.
Sir Jerry Ramos. So, salamat sa mga fans ng San Miguel, sa mga fans ng PBA. Sana kita-kita tayo sa next game sa